Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite. So let's see Libra what message wants to show through for you today, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. And of course, if you're new here, Libra, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so Libra, somebody wants to end a fight here. There's been some kind of a conflict. Okay. And balance out something. All right, Libra, bottom of my deck, I have the World card in reverse. So not wanting to shut down a chapter, even though I feel somebody played some kind of mind games here. Somebody was trying to be the victor or be the boss or whatever, my way or the highway, right? But right now, whoever did this is feeling kind of the loser. They said they're feeling it was such a useless thing to do because I am the one who, had that cocky attitude, and here I'm the one who's lost a beautiful soulmate connection. Too many bad memories have been created because of my own behavior. Now this person, whoever this person is, wants a brand new beginning. They want to invest back into this connection. So, all right, Libra, before I go on to the rest of the reading, let me start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if, you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. So, Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. And Libra, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right. Let's take a few from here, Libra. Libra and their person. Libra and their person spirit. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. All right. And I'm going to take a couple more from another deck. Messages from the heart. All right, good to go. So, okay, Libra. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. Maybe this was the game that was being played. That, hey, let's just have a good time. Somebody wanted to behave like a player, maybe, or just keep things floating and light. And that was the game that, in their mind they were playing. Maybe keeping one or more than one person always attached to their energy, but not wanting to commit to anyone. And now they seem to have lost somebody who was very important to them. Would you just stop holding back? Lay it all on me. I want you to reveal your true self to me. Tell me your hopes, your dreams, your fears, your vulnerabilities, what makes you tick, and what you truly desire. I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with the karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. So from what I'm feeling here, Libra, maybe somebody played these games, they lost a very special connection, and maybe that person has gone off for a fresh new beginning somewhere else. And that's why the jealousy card is here. Love and being loved is the most beautiful, crazy, unexpected, and magical feeling I have ever felt. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I love you to infinity. But this wasn't recognized, I think, when the love was there. I didn't know what love was. See, just what I finished saying. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. So as much as I think they were happy with this connection, somebody played games, their partner must have left, and now they're realizing that I didn't know what love was. Till, they've messed it all up now. I always look out for you because I love you unconditionally. I try to warn you about fake people with bad intentions who are out there to manipulate and use you. It cuts deep because you seem to trust everyone over me. Let's talk and clear the air. Like I said, somebody wants to talk, maybe end this fight now. They don't want this chapter to end. They want to bring balance and harmony back into this connection. Walking away from you was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life and my biggest regret. Alright, so Libra, if this is your story, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels can help this in the situation with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. Emotions. Yes, the emotions, I think, which somebody never really took care of, neither their own, and they never acknowledged the love they had in their heart, and maybe hurt their partner also very bad. So somebody's now maybe gone into reflection and wondering, what did I do? And it's not a good feeling to have these dark emotions now. Knowing they created some very bad memories in a beautiful connection. So let's start clarifying these cards now. Five of Swords, Spirit. Why is the Five of Swords here with the Six of Cups in reverse? Five of Swords and the Six of Cups in reverse. Somebody lost the biggest love of their life. That's why they're feeling like a loser. They were playing games because they didn't want commitment, I think, and they were behaving like a player. But in all these games, they lost somebody who was their true love. Now they're feeling the loss of this love. Six of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Six of Cups in reverse. Six of Cups in reverse. Yes, this person was probably very greedy maybe, or very selfish, or after material things, putting money before love maybe. Miser of, with their time and energy, or money, I don't know. But this person is feeling very, very ungrounded now because they feel they lost the best part of themselves. They realize that love was the abundance that they should have been seeking, and not all these frivolous, materialistic things. Ace of Pentacles, Spirit, now. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Somebody is not happy at all. Somebody is not happy at all. They are miserable. They want to communicate. They want to communicate now, offer this fresh new beginning, but they don't know how. They, I think, messed up the situation so bad that they don't know what can they do now to rectify the situation. As much as this person would like forward movement, back and forth communication like it used to be once upon a time, and offer this, big pentacle or a ring or a commitment or whatever they want to do, but now they don't know because they've messed up the situation very bad. Maybe in the past they never really invested, nothing grew, right? They never put in the work, they never, watered their crop or put fertilizer or tended to their, seeds here, and there's no harvest. You know what I mean, right? So they never really took care of this connection. And now that they lost it, now they're looking disappointed, and that I should have when I had the time, or then there was time to do this. Now I want it, now I don't know what to do. First okay, let's see what this is. Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. Seven of Pentacles, yes. In the past, I think they were behaving very, very immature. They were probably rushing in and out, or, just creating illusions, playing the magician, tricking their partner, maybe saying harsh words, or never sticking around for long. This Knight of Swords is somebody who can be a bit cutting with their words, harsh communication, rash moves, playing with fire, and thinking they could get away with it all because they felt, I can fool my person anytime I want. But this has totally backfired on them. I think now they do want to end this fight. What's this Five of Wands, Spirit? What's this Five of Wands? Five of Wands. They know they've made a very foolish, unwise decision here. Very, very unwise and foolish decision. They know it's their own fault. Whoever this person is who was playing the magician, Libra, this could be you, this could be your cross watcher, I don't know. But this person is recognizing the part they played, the foolish part they played in allowing this tower to fall. They're realizing they never lay a firm foundation. And now, even though I think they don't want any other option, anybody else, there's a lot of stagnancy here. Things have really halted. They do want to end this fight that you guys have had. Knight of Wands, Spirit, Knight of Wands. They behaved like a player. Now they're recognizing what they've done. As much as they want to now rush towards their partner, because they've recognized that this was my Two of Cups. This is the person who was a gift from God. This was the true love of my life, and look at what I've done to it. I've drained all this love out because of my own foolish behavior. Because maybe they were behaving like a player in the past, right? They didn't want to commit. They wanted more than one. Now whoever this person is feeling totally abandoned and left out in the cold, because I think all their other options are of no interest to them. They don't want the competition. They want this person, but now they don't know how. They're recognizing that this is the person who made me the happiest. The Sun. What's the Sun card, Spirit? Sun card. Because this was the Empress, right? They're recognizing that this was my Empress. But from what I'm feeling here, Libra, this is the other person now who's glowing. They've found their self-worth. They've become the Empress. They're shining big time. I don't think this person is even bothered that this tower has fallen. They're just allowing it to fall. That if you didn't want me, then it's all right. If this thing was not built on firm foundation, then yes. What will you make a choice? I'm making the choice for you. Tower in reverse, Spirit. Tower in reverse. Yes, somebody has their boundaries up now. This Empress has learned to put boundaries up and say, hey, I'm happy where I am. If you couldn't make a choice, I recognize that we were very drawn to each other. This seemed like a past life connection. I acknowledge all that, right? But if you couldn't make this choice, and if you've allowed this tower to fall, I'm going to sit on my lovely throne, look beautiful, and allow this tower to fall behind me. I'm really not concerned. I'm healing myself. I'm healing my life. I'm kind of getting back into balance in my own life here. So Temperance card, Spirit. First, let's take one on the tower, one more on the tower. What's this Tower, Spirit? Okay. And the... okay, one more. One more. Somebody does want to return, Libra. Somebody does want to return. They're not happy that this Queen of Cups or this Empress has now withdrawn her love. They do want to now, they're feeling this pull towards this Empress. They do want to come and offer something. I think they're just biding their time, waiting for the dust to settle after this tower has fallen. They do want to offer this stability. As much as they want to return, I think they're being a little patient. They're being a little patient here because they recognize what they've done. They've been a player, they've taken the wrong direction in the past, right? Now they want to let go of all their bad behavior. They do want to rectify the situation because they're realizing that without, if I don't change, then things are never going to change. I'll be released, this connection will be released, and they don't want that. They want this chapter to stay open. Let me just take one more card for the World in reverse, Spirit. The World in reverse. World in reverse. They want a second chance. They want a second chance of something beautiful that they've lost. They won this Ten of Pentacles. They know they had it, they blew it. With the Tower energy, this person just blew their chance and now is not wanting this chapter to shut down, hoping and wishing for a second chance, because here they are sitting in regret and sorrow of having lost what they've lost. They feel they've lost their pedestal. They're not feeling like the emperor anymore to this empress. In fact, just be a little mindful because this Knight of this Knight of Wands has come out too many times, and now I'm seeing the Emperor in reverse as well. As much as this person is in regret, sorrow and everything, they may just try and come back a bit immature even now. It's like what they show and what they feel are two different things. As much as they want a return, they still don't want to acknowledge, they still want to behave the same way that they behaved, which is really silly. Maybe they're thinking about rectifying, I don't know, but maybe this is their past energy which they're trying to, let's give them a chance. But just be a little mindful, whoever this Empress is, you keep shining, okay? You keep shining, keep your boundaries up now that you've learned to, and keep glowing. That's all I can say. Whoever this past person is not done with you. That's all I can say. They are waiting for the right moment to come back. They may try and get you back in the same way as the past, but they don't know what's in store for them. I don't think this Empress is naive anymore to allow this kind of behavior again. I think they will have to change, I think, completely if they want anything with this Empress anymore. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Libra. Take care. Love and light. Namaste.